In the blink of an eye, a power surge can damage your equipment or corrupt your data. Surges happen every day, and there's no reason to take a chance when protection is so affordable. Tripp Lite's economical TLP 725 surge suppressor protects computers, peripherals, appliances, and other electronics against surges and line noise. It has the strongest UL-verified surge protection rating in its class, 1,080 joules. An extra long 25-foot cord powers equipment in areas without built-in outlets, ideal for older buildings and other locations where outlets are few and far between. With a durable housing and reliable internal components, TLP 725 is built to keep working long after other low-cost surge suppressors have burnt out and left your equipment exposed. It's backed by Tripp Lite's no-hassle lifetime product warranty and connected equipment insurance. If you need a reliable and economical surge suppressor with an extra long power cord, order Tripp Lite's TLP 725.